Ever wondered how to make a cat like you? Well, step into the world of feline wonders, where independence rules and affection is a treasure to be earned. Cats are unique creatures, possessing an intriguing blend of curiosity and caution, aloofness and affection. Cats are a riddle wrapped in a mystery inside an enigma. They have a unique way of expressing their affection, which is often selective and on their own terms. Unlike our canine companions, cats do not bestow their love freely. They are selective, and their affection is a sought-after prize. This selective nature of cats, their love for independence, and their unique ways of expressing affection make them a fascinating subject. Perhaps it's this air of mystery that surrounds them that makes earning their affection such a rewarding experience. Well, wonder no more. Here are 10 scientific ways to get a cat to like you. Firstly, approach with caution. Cats, unlike dogs, are not always eager for immediate, enthusiastic interactions. They thrive on their independence and can feel threatened by an overly eager approach. This is why it's essential to take things slow when you're trying to get a cat to like you. Imagine meeting someone who's overly enthusiastic and in your space all the time. It can be quite overwhelming, right? The same goes for cats. They need their space, and they appreciate calm, slow movements. When you first meet a cat, avoid rushing towards it or making sudden movements. Instead, sit down quietly and allow the cat to come to you. Use a soft voice and avoid direct eye contact, as cats can interpret this as a threat. Over time, the cat will start to associate your presence with safety and comfort, which will help to build a strong bond between you two. Remember, patience is key with cats. Secondly, respect their space. This point cannot be stressed enough. Cats, by nature, are territorial animals. This means they instinctively claim certain areas as their own, and feel more secure when they have their own designated area. When we respect this aspect of their behavior, we're communicating to them in a language they understand. It's not about giving them the run of the house, but rather designating a safe zone where they can retreat to. This could be a special cat bed, a perch by the window, or even a particular corner of the room. By doing this, we're saying, hey, this is your space, and I respect that. And cats, being the intelligent creatures they are, will appreciate this gesture. Remember, in the cat world, respect is a two-way street. Just as we want them to respect our space, we need to respect theirs. Respecting their territory goes a long way in earning a cat's trust. Thirdly, use cat-friendly scents. Now this might sound a bit out of the ordinary, but cats have a keen sense of smell and are often attracted to certain scents. These scents can be used as a powerful tool to get a cat to warm up to you. Take catnip, for instance. This common herb can stimulate cats, making them more playful and active. It's like magic. Then there's silver vine. Some cats who aren't attracted to catnip might respond positively to silver vine. It can create a similar reaction, making cats more likely to interact with you. And let's not forget honeysuckle. While not all cats react to it, those that do can become more affectionate and interactive. These scents have a unique way of catching a cat's interest and can definitely help you build a bond. Remember, it's all about making yourself more appealing to the cat, and using cat-friendly scents can certainly help with that. Using cat-friendly scents can make you more appealing to a cat. Fourthly, engage them in play. Playing is not just a fun pastime for cats, it's an essential part of their day-to-day life. It allows them to express their natural hunting instincts, keep their minds sharp, and their bodies fit. But more than that, play can be a powerful bonding tool between you and your feline friend. When you engage a cat in play, you're entering their world, speaking their language. You're showing them that you understand their needs and are willing to fulfill them. This can help the cat feel more comfortable and safe around you, seeing you not as a threat, but as a companion. Play also allows you to learn more about your cat's personality. You'll discover their likes, dislikes, and quirks, further strengthening your bond. Remember, it's not about winning or losing, it's about participating and enjoying the moment together. Engaging a cat in play can be a fun way to build a bond. Fifthly, speak their language. Now, this doesn't mean you need to start meowing, but understanding and mimicking cat body language can go a long way in building trust. Cats communicate their emotions and intentions primarily through body language, and by learning to interpret these signals, we can interact with them more effectively. One simple and universally recognized sign of cat communication is slow blinking. Cats use slow blinking to convey comfort and affection. It's like a cat's version of a warm smile. When you mimic this behavior, you're telling your cat, "I trust you and I feel safe around you." Next time you're hanging out with your cat, try giving them a slow, deliberate blink. If they return the gesture, it's a good sign they feel comfortable around you. Remember, building a bond with a cat is like learning a new language. It takes time and practice. Speaking their language can help a cat feel more comfortable around you. Sixthly, understand the power of touch. Cats are creatures of comfort, and they have specific spots where they enjoy being petted. It's like their personal touch map. The chin and cheeks, for instance, are popular petting zones. These areas are packed with scent glands, and when you pet them there, you're helping them mark their territory, which they appreciate. On the other hand, some areas are like no-pet zones. One common example is the belly. Despite its fluffy appeal, many cats find belly rubs intrusive and can react defensively. So avoid it unless your feline friend shows they're comfortable with it. The key here is trust. When you respect their boundaries, you're showing them that you understand their preferences. It's a way of communicating that you're not a threat, but a friend. This builds a bond of trust, making them more comfortable and affectionate around you. Understanding where and how to pet a cat can make them more comfortable around you. Seventhly, provide for their needs. The importance of addressing a cat's basic needs cannot be overstated. These needs include food, water, and a clean litter box. Just like us, cats appreciate a clean living space and regular meals. Providing these necessities can go a long way in earning their trust and affection. Let's start with food. Cats are obligate carnivores, which means their bodies are designed to thrive on meat, so offering them a balanced diet rich in high-quality proteins can really help them feel cared for. Next we have water. Always ensure your feline friend has access to fresh, clean water. Cats can be quite finicky when it comes to water, so keeping it fresh is key. Finally, the litter box. Cats are naturally clean animals and prefer a tidy place to do their business. Regularly cleaning their litter box can significantly increase their comfort and satisfaction. Meeting a cat's basic needs can help build a strong bond. Eighthly, be consistent. Consistency is an integral part of building trust with cats. Our feline friends are creatures of habit, and they prefer a stable and predictable routine. You see, in the world of cats, consistency equates to security. Imagine this. If every day at 5 in the afternoon, you sit down to watch your favorite show, and your cat joins you snuggling next to you on the couch, this becomes a routine. It's a moment of peace and bonding that your cat comes to expect and look forward to. If one day you suddenly change this routine, your cat may feel confused, anxious, even a bit betrayed. It's not just about the big things either. Small consistent actions like the tone of your voice, the way you pet them, even how you greet them when you come home, can make a world of difference. These small, consistent actions build up over time, creating a sense of trust and security. Being consistent can help a cat feel more secure around you. Ninthly, reward good behavior. Cats, like us, appreciate recognition for their good deeds. When your feline friend behaves well, whether it's using the litter box correctly, refraining from scratching furniture, or responding to a command, it's important to acknowledge and reward this behavior. This can be done through various means, such as giving them their favorite treat, or simply lavishing them with praise and affection. When you reward a cat for good behavior, you're essentially reinforcing that behavior. They associate the positive outcome, the treat or praise, with the action they've just performed. Over time, this helps them understand what behavior is expected and appreciated. But remember, it's not just about doling out treats. It's about building a relationship based on mutual respect and understanding. Rewarding good behavior isn't just about training. It's about connecting with your cat, understanding their needs, and helping them feel loved and secure. Rewarding good behavior can help strengthen your bond with a cat. Lastly, be patient and persistent. Cats are creatures of habit and a little bit of mystery. They often require time to adjust to new people, surroundings, and experiences. It's essential to understand that earning a cat's trust and affection doesn't happen overnight. It's a gradual process that can be compared to a slow-blooming flower. Just like you wouldn't rush a flower to blossom, you can't rush a cat's affection. It's all about giving them the time and space they need to get comfortable around you. Persistence plays a significant role here. Consistently showing them that you're not a threat, that you respect their space, and that you're there to care for them, can gradually help build their trust in you. Remember, every cat is unique, and while some might warm up to you quickly, others might take a little longer. So don't get discouraged if it takes time. Patience and persistence can go a long way in winning over a cat. So, there you have it. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of feline behavior, uncovering 10 scientifically proven ways to get a cat to like you. Remember, it's all about approaching with caution, respecting their space, and using cat-friendly scents to make them feel at ease. Engaging them in play is a great way to bond, but you've got to speak their language too. Understanding the power of touch goes a long way in building a positive relationship with your furry friend. Then there's the matter of providing for their needs, both physical and emotional. Consistency is key in showing them you're a reliable friend. Rewarding good behavior is crucial, and remember, patience and persistence are your best allies. Cats are complex creatures, each with their own unique personalities and quirks. But with these 10 scientific strategies, you're well equipped to navigate the intricate maze of feline friendship. With these 10 scientific ways, you're well on your way to winning over any cat. Good luck.